Hello, welcome. This year we are showing two very innovative products. One product is our 0.9 mini LED with flip chip technology. About 50% less heat on this screen. It's very innovative. And one of our most innovative product we have here, it's our new ERMAC 16 control system. It can control 4K, 120 Hertz, 3D, all control for brightness, color, and everything goes in real time. And this is one of our most innovative products on this fair today. And please drop by, check it out, and you will see what we can do for you. Our website is trueperformance.eu. Please drop by. You are always welcome in our booth. Thank you very much.